Some beautiful bakes, no soggy bottoms in sight. Who will be Star Baker? Welcome to Animate Art's Cardboard Bake-Off. Filled with lots of colour and lots of cardboard, the family recipe of Ultra Andreas cupcakes is hoping to be a hit with the judges.
Now, voila!
Sophie's scrumptious cake looks to be a lovely cake. Nice rise. Ashford Radio Saturday breakfast cake is created with the tired radio team in mind. They do love a breakfast. And cake. Winner. Probably the best wedding cake would be a cardboard one. Oath and Chislett School have made a 3-course cake meal. What a delight! Vanilla slice, Oreo cake and cupcakes. Yummy! Henrietta's lemon meringue pie is already a hit with her friends. Let's hope she peaks again. Afternoon Bakewell tea treat is something we most love at Animate Arts, especially when there's a cardboard cherry on top. Beatrice's chocolate birthday cake is beautifully made, accompanied with a very sturdy cardboard china plate. Charlie's worked hard on his showstopper, a gingerbread house with 5 gingerbread men. He's hoping for a handshake.
Here's what I did earlier.
Yay!
Gracie's birthday will be at the end of this month. She will be too. Happy birthday, Gracie. This Swiss roll is made from chantilly tissue paper cream, served on a homemade doily. For Jo's showstopper cake, she's making a traditional Victoria sponge with cardboard cherries. Ellen's rainbow cake is packed with many colours, and it looks so joyful, just like the rainbows we're seeing in the windows at the moment. Bardi likes a Battenberg, that's for sure. Phoenix Primary must be proud of Miss Hill and her wonderful garden party cake. She's even got the china out. Don't be mistaken, this is the McDonald's apple pie, not McDonald's apple pie. Standing a jaw-dropping 30 centimetres, this bear is in for a treat. By the looks of things, it's very exciting to have a cake the size of you.
Hello, it's Jane Beadle from the Great British Bake Off here. Do you realise that probably 4 years ago to this very day I would have been doing one of these talks outside the very famous tent when I was a contestant on the show? I'd love to be back there, it was fantastic. Anyway, I've just dropped in to say hello to you bakers and makers who have entered the Great Cardboard Bake Off. I've been absolutely thrilled to see some of your entries. You're all deservers of Star Baker badges or Hollywood handshakes. I think it's fantastic, and I really look forward to seeing some of the other things you get up to with your cardboard capers this month. that's May. Look out for the new challenge with Animate Arts. So thank you very much for all taking part. Please keep making, it really makes me happy to see the things that you're doing, and stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.